Hello, and welcome to April. That was a weird way to start a video.
This month, I'm doing 30 videos on wedding photography in 30 days, from the best lenses for weddings to Facebook and Instagram ad templates, email scripts, pricing documents, attracting more followers, off-camera flash, and generating more inquiries. Above all else, this is how to make your business even more successful in an incredibly challenging year. So join me every day this month for a brand new video.
I understand that it is April 2nd, and I missed the beginning of April by a day. We were at a wedding yesterday, and it's quite weird. We'll talk more about this over the next 30 days, but I find that I am shooting very rarely weddings on Saturdays. I have just a few left this year. Everything else is on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Not Fridays, not Mondays, not Sundays. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. They are the new wedding dates for smaller weddings, at least here. But over the next 30 days, we will be getting very into that and how to be successful in this strange and unusual year. What the next 30 days are going to look like: 15 of the videos, so half of the videos are going to go up here on YouTube, and half of them are going to go over on the member site. The member site videos are going to include things like templates for Facebook ads, as well as Facebook ad rollouts and Instagram ads and pricing documents and all kinds of different things that you'll actually be able to download. The videos here on YouTube will be a little bit more, well, tomorrow will be about lenses for wedding photography. My gear's changed a lot. There was a few taco comments in the video yesterday, and what that meant was that you were interested in learning a little bit more about what my gear setup looks like for 2021. I'm going to not only walk you through my current setup, but also what setup I would be using if I was shooting Sony, which is what I'm shooting on right here, an FX3, or if I was shooting Canon R6 right here, if I was shooting the Nikon Z6 II right here, or if I was shooting Fuji, which I don't actually have right now. I have a GFX 100S, but that's kind of overkill, I think, for weddings. So I'll focus more on something like an X-T4 setup. But there will be a specific plan in place to get you to the best equipment with the lowest dollar value possible in tomorrow's video. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done that, and turn the bell on for notifications just for this month. If you're a wedding photographer, there's going to be a tremendous amount of value coming at you here on this channel. So that is all for this video. This is a short video, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, to tell you that things are coming starting tomorrow. That's all. Drop comments below if you have any topics that you would like to see covered within the 30 days. I have a schedule of things that I have. I guess it's not finalized. We haven't shot it. So it's still open to interpretation, or if basically like I can include your ideas in other videos, or I can make a dedicated video for your idea. So please chime in the comments below if you have any video ideas that you would like to see covered, and specifically ones that you maybe haven't seen covered on this channel before. I would really appreciate that. That is all for today from the studio. Hope that you have a lovely April 2nd, unless you're watching this from a place that's over the date line, or if you're watching this on another day that is not April 2nd, then I hope that day is great as well. But hopefully you're watching this within the year of 2021, because a lot of the information over the next 30 days is all going to be tailored towards 2021. But I will make it future-proof a little bit as well, since I have had a successful wedding photography business. This is, I think, I'll do some math sometime, but I think it's my 15th or 16th year in wedding photography. So there's a lot that I've been through, and this is definitely the most interesting and unique time of that. But I have been through 2008 and a bunch of different other things that have been interesting times in the world. So hopefully I can bring that experience and value to you here on the internet. That is all for this time, I promise. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow's video will begin on YouTube here. I don't know why I'm whispering.